I'm so glad today that we have such an action minister that within 1 or 2 days has been able to cover what I will say miles and miles. We started with this pilot project. As a matter of fact, we borrowed this technology from a boy. Because when we checked the cost and we checked durability and sustainability, we came to a conclusion that for a cash-strapped state like us, or us, we have to do something that is economical but very beneficial to the people. Honorable Minister, this particular road was completely impassable.
Wow. Wow.
It was a terrible one, but today you've seen the happiness on the faces of the people here. We are going to replicate this in many, many, many localities.
Wow.
And so far as you've assured and guaranteed us of your support,
Yeah.
by the time you come back, because you promised to come back,
Yes.
Calabar, the state as a whole, will be a different place. So we'll continue to thank you, and we thank the people for their patience. For those who have not gotten to them yet, please exercise some patience. We'll get to everywhere. The journey of 1,000 miles
begins with a step.
Always starts with a step. So we'll reach everywhere. We want to give you every assurance that the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing its very best to make sure that the life of Nigerians is going to change. And Cross River State is not going to be an exception. Thank you once more for your support for APC. This is what we stand for, to add value to humanity. And together, both of us, we will change the face of the state.